Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss the mental math problems. So at first you should get ready with your copies everyone, and you should read the question because the easy questions are there, and try to find out the meaning of the given question. Okay, and raw work also you should do the in right hand side, space is there, so you can do it. Okay, so at first you should try, after that you will see the solution. Clear everyone? So now let's start everyone. At first read the question. Today we will discuss what? Exercise 34. So first question see. At first read the question. First question is telling that write factors of 144. Okay. So this type of problem we did before also. Clear or not? Okay. And we can try also, no problem that one. You should try. So how to do at first? We find out what? Factors of 144. So how to do? Just see. So 144 means we can write what? 1 into 144 we can write or not, because any number we can divide by 1, so that's why we are taking here 1. 144 के जैसे हम लोग 1 से divide करी, we will get what? 144. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next what? 144 divisible by 2, because unit place 4 is there, so that's why it is divisible by 2. So now we are dividing by 2. If we divide by 2, we get what? 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 4. That means 2 into 72. 144 means 2 into 72. Clear? Understood? Okay. Next, this one divisible by 3 or not? Check it once. This one divisible by 3 or not? See. So how we check it, this one? See here, digits are 1, 4 and 4. At first add it, all digits add it. That means here we are getting 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4 means what? We are getting 9, no? 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so that's why 144 also divisible by 3. Understood? So that's why 144 divisible by 3. So we divide by 3 now. So divide it. 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Otherwise normal division also you can do. Okay, the raw work also you can do in right hand side. We are doing here. So 3 4 ja 12. So 2 carry, is a remainder 2 here, actually here remainder 2. So 2 and 4 24. 24 means 3 is 24. So that's why 48 is coming. That means 3 into 48 means 144. Okay, 3 into 48 equal to 144. Understood? Next, this one divisible by 4 or not, we should check it. Okay, so do the division, normal division. 144 divided by 4. 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. So 2 24, 4 6 ja 24. Understood? That means 144 also divisible by 4. Okay. Okay, so here 4 into 36. 144 equal to 4 into 36. Actually here in the given question only 2 factors. According to the given question, we will write for 2 factors. But we are doing what? All factors. We are finding what? All factors of 144. Understood? Okay. Next what? 5 is possible, sir? Not possible because unit place 4 is there, so that's why not possible here. Next 6, right? Why 6 is possible? Because here 2 divisible means 144 divisible by 2. Clear or not? And 3 also possible. Clear? Already we got it. 2 and 3, so that's why 6 also possible, because 2 into 3 6, so that's why 6 also possible. Okay, so do division. 144 divided by 6. 6 2 ja 12. Remainder 2 and 4 24. 6 4 ja 24. Understood? So we are getting what? 6 into 24. Okay? Clear? Okay. Next 7 possible. 7 not possible. Why, sir? Because see, 7 2 ja 14. 7 2 ja 14. Remainder 4. 4 not possible. 4 is not divisible by 7. Understood? So that's why the 7 not possible. Clear? 8 is possible. Do it. Try it everyone. 144 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8 2 is 16. So here 8 1 will take what? 8 1 is 8. 6 64. 8 8 is 64. Otherwise, if you know that table, then also we can do it. 18 8 is 144. So here 8 into 18. Clear? Okay. Next 9. 9 also possible. Why sir? Because 69 is we know that. 69 is what? 144. Clear? Okay. Next 10 not possible. 10 not possible. 11 possible. 11 you can try it. 11 not possible. See, 11 1 is 11. Okay. 3 34. 11 3 is 34. But here is there what? 34 is given. So that's why not possible here. 11 not possible. 12 possible. Why? Because 12 into 12 144. Okay. Clear everyone? Actually here all factors no need, only we need two factors, but we are for that understanding, no, means that gradually we should know that how we find out that all factors. Okay, so that's why we are finding like that. Clear? But here we will find out what? Only two factors. Okay, so here any two factors you can write it, either 1 we can write it because any number is divisible by 1. Okay, and next 144. Understood? Another factors you can write it, any two factors you can take it, 2 3 4 6 8 9 12 16 18 24 36 48 72 and 144. Any factors you can take it. I have understood this one. Okay, you should practice it, otherwise you cannot find out. Okay, this type of problem 144 136 84, so many that numbers you can take it and find the factors. Okay. Okay, next question, see, read the question number 2. Question number 2 is telling what time was it 5 hours before what? 3:40 p.m. Question clear? What time was it 5 hours before? বলছে 5 ঘন্টা বিফোর বলেছে, মানে আগে 5 ঘন্টা আগে, তাহলে কি হবে 3:40 pm এর pm মানে কি এখানে 3:40 pm মিন্স আফটারনুন টাইমের কথা বলা হয়েছে, বিকেল বেলা যে 3:40 pm হয় সেই টাইমের কথা বলা হয়েছে এখানে। তো সেখান থেকে আমাদের 5 আওয়ার্স বিফোর বলেছে, বিফোর মানে কি করতে হবে, তাহলে মাইনাস করে দিতে হবে আগে 5 ঘন্টা আগে, তাহলে কত সময় হবে উই ফাইন্ড আউট। ওকে, if possible that one you can try also, no problem that one. Clear? Okay, try it. 3:40 that we can count also, no problem that one. 3:40 থেকে 5 hours মাইনাস করে দাও, 3:40 থেকে যদি 1 hour মাইনাস করি তাহলে কি হবে 2:40, next 1:40 12:40, after that 11:40, next 10:40. Okay, that one also we can do it. Otherwise another way also we can do it. Another way means 3 means we can write what? 12 plus 3 15, no, 15:40. Understood or not? Clear? 3 hours means 3 pm like that. Suppose 3 pm means we can write what? 15. Clear? 15 hours means we will add 12 hours. Okay, because 12 after that we are counting what? 1 2 3, but we cannot count, we won't count like that. After 12 13, next 14, next 15, so that's why we are getting what? 15:40. 3:40 pm means 15:40 pm. Understood? Clear? So 5 hours before means we will do what? Subtract 5 hours. So here 15 minus 10 what? 15 minus 5 here 10, so that means 10:40 pm. That also you can write it. Okay, so here answer will be what? 10:40, and here am will be there because that our question was that 3:40 pm means afternoon time. We should what? We should subtract it 5 hours, so that one 10:40 am or pm? Am, because we are going to the morning time, no, so that's why that one will be what? Am. Clear? Okay, next question, read the question number 3. Question number 3 is telling what? Adding the sum of 1253 means 1253, 4054 and 3121. Okay, adding also you can do it, or sum also you can find out. Sum means also same thing, add. Easy, you can do it or not? Normal addition, Do it right, everyone. No need to see the solution. Just do it, everyone. So 1253. I am doing here 4054. After that 3121. Do addition. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1 here, 8 we are getting. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 carry. Okay, next 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, here 4, clear. Next 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. That means we are getting 8428. 8428. You should try it. Okay. So 8428, this is the answer. Okay, I have understood. And if you have doubt from this whatever we are discussing, no, you should inform. I will discuss again. Okay, but you should practice. That is the thing. And since it is mental math, means you should practice it mentally. Okay, you should try it mentally. Means as soon as possible you will find out the answer. Okay. Next question, see question number 4. Question number 4 is telling that 2035 centimeter equal to dash meter dash centimeter. What to do? What to do, everyone? Just try it. This type of problem we did or not? Before we did this type of problem, centimeter given, we convert into meter. How to do this one? How to do this one? See, we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We know or don't know? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, clear? Okay. Next, 2 meter equal to, similarly 2 meter equal to 2 into 100 centimeter. That means 200 centimeter. 3 meters equal to 3 into 100 centimeter. That means 300 centimeter. Clear or not? Clear? That means we are converting meter to centimeter. That means we are converting meter to centimeter multiplying by 100. Okay, but here in the given question is telling that centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. That means what to do here? We will divide by 100. Clear or not this one? Meter to centimeter we are multiplying by 100, but centimeter to meter, that one will do what? Division, means divided by 100. Understood this one? That means we will do here division. Okay. Okay, so try division, do by 100. So I am doing here, see, 2035 divided by 100. So here in denominator power of 10 is given, means we are getting power of 10, means easily we can get the answer. Clear or not? So see, so here how many zeros? 2 zeros. That means point will go to the left hand side. Clear? Point will go to the left hand side. And after how many digits? After 2 digits, because 2 zeros are there. So that's why after 2 digits point will come, and that point will go to the left hand side. That means after 35 that point will come. That means 20.35 is coming. Okay, 20.35, and this 20.35 is telling that this 20 will be what? This 20 will be meter and 35 will be the centimeter. Clear? Clear or not? So that's why here answer will be what? 20 meter. Here answer will be 20 meter and 35 centimeter. Understood? Clear? Very, very important question, and you should practice with this type of problem. How we convert into centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter. Okay, but we should know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Otherwise you cannot solve. No, you cannot do it. So that's why you should practice it. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is telling, read the question, everyone. One number is 625, the other is 25 less. So what is the number? What is the number? How to do this one? One number is 625. Very easy question. একটা নাম্বার বলেছে কত? 625. The other number is 25 less. 25 less মানে কম হবে, 25 মাইনাস করে দেবো। 625 minus 25, that means easily directly we can get it. 625 minus 25, that means 600 we are getting. Clear or not? So that's why other number will be what? 600. Okay, other number will be 600. Clear? Understood? Okay. Next question Question number 6. Question number 6, easy question. Only addition given, but decimal is there only. And this type of problem you can do it also. You can try it also, no problem that one. Easy, but little problem is there means only point is given. Sometimes here point also sometimes will come, but you should try it. Okay. So how to do this one? Just check it. So at first we will write what? Big number 333. 333. After the 33, only 33 we will write. Okay. Next 0.3. Next is 0.3. Do addition. Here point also we can write. Here point also we can write. And we will write here 0, 0, 0. Okay. That place we will write what? 0. Understood? Okay. Now do division. Addition. So we are getting here 3. Okay. 3 plus 3 6. Here 3 plus 3 6. And here 3. That means 366.3. Okay. 366.3. This is the answer. 366.3. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next question. Read the question. Question number 7. Read the question, everyone. See, 78 plus 78. 78 plus 78 plus 78. 3 times given here. We will do the addition. 78 plus 78 plus 78. Okay. Equal to dash into 78. Dash into 78. Okay. So what to do here? How to solve it this one? See, here how many times given? 78 in the left hand side. 3 times given, no? Here 1 time. This one 1, 2 and 3. 3 times given. So here directly we can write here 3. Okay. That means is telling that we won't do that addition. We won't do that repeated addition. Directly we will get the answer. That's why multiplication is telling the other name of repeated addition is called multiplication. Okay. Multiplication is others name what? Others name of multiplication is what? Repeated addition means আমরা বারবার অ্যাডিশন না করে কি করব আমরা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন করে নেব ওকে সো আমরা হয়তো দেখা হলো 5 বার দেওয়া হলো 5 টাইমস দেওয়া থাকলো আমরা 5 টাইমস আমরা কি করব না অ্যাড করব না কি করব আমরা 5 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে নেব ওকে সেইজন্য আমাদের যেটা আছে কি মেইন থিং ইজ দ্যাট রিপিটেড অ্যাডিশন ইজ কল্ড মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন ওকে এন্ড রিপিটেড সাবট্রাকশন ইজ কল্ড বারবার আমরা সাবট্রাকশন না করে কি করব আমরা ডিভিশন করব ওকে repeated division the subtraction is called that division. Understood? And this type of problem we will learn later also, no problem that one. Okay, basic things is given here. So here 3 times given, so 3 times means we won't do that addition 3 times, only we will write the number. How many times given, that one we will write. Okay. Okay, next question, what? Question number 8. Question number 8 is telling here 6 into 5 into dash equal to 120. Very easy question. How to do this one? Very easy question. 6 into 5 what? We will do multiplication now. 6 into 5, that means what? 30. That means 30 into dash equal to 120. 30 এর সঙ্গে কত মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 120 হবে? 3 into 4 12, no? 3 into 4 12. So here 4 will come because 30 into 4 we are getting here 120. Clear? Easy? Okay. Next question, question number 9c. Question number 9 is telling write place value of 9. Write place value of 9 in 5689. Okay, we find out the place value. Place value, we can find out or not? We can find out. Okay, so find out here 9. 9 here, unit place is there 9. So at first we find out what place value of 9. So I am writing here 9. After that, any digit is there? No digit. So only 9 will be the answer. If any digit is there, so যতগুলো ডিজিট আছে ততগুলো কি করব 0 বসিয়ে দেব ওকে ক্লিয়ার নট ক্লিয়ার তাহলে প্লেস ভ্যালু মানে কি যে ডিজিটটা বলবে আমাকে সেই ডিজিট বসাতে হবে তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেই তারপরে যতগুলো ডিজিট আছে ততগুলো 0 বসবে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য মেইন থিং দ্যাট ইজ দ্য প্লেস ভ্যালু ওকে এন্ড সো হিয়ার আনসার ইজ হোয়াট 9 অনলি এন্ড যদি বলি ফেস ভ্যালু মানে কি ওই নাম্বার ওই ডিজিটটা যেটা বলবে সেটাই ওকে দ্যাট নাম্বার অনলি ওকে সো হিয়ার ফেস ভ্যালু অলসো 9 প্লেস ভ্যালু অলসো 9 এন্ড ফেস ভ্যালু অলসো 9. Clear? Okay. Next question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is telling 8 sets of 4. 8 sets of 4 means what? 8 into 4, 8 4 is 32. Okay, and 3 sets of 6, 3 sets of 6 means 3 6 are 18. Fair or not? 3 6 are 18. Understood? তাহলে 32 থেকে আমাদের কি করতে হবে, 18 আমরা কি করব, মাইনাস করে দেব। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? So 12 minus 8 here 4, 12 minus 8 here 4, and 2 minus 1 4, 2 minus 1 1. So 14 we are getting here, 14 we are getting. So here answer will be what? 14. Okay, 32 থেকে আমাদের 18 যদি মাইনাস করি, we are getting what? 14. Understood? Clear everyone? I have understood. And even in doubt, you should inform. I will explain again. Okay, but you should try it, you should practice it. Okay, as much as possible you should practice it. Clear? So take your homework everyone. So what is your homework? Your homework is exercise 34 as well as 35. 34 already explained. Okay, you should practice it. And 35 you will try, and even in doubt you inform me, I will explain again. Okay, but you should practice it and you should submit the homework